Welcome back to my YouTube channel, adhere Digital UK-T4F. Friends, how are you? I hope you are alright. Today here we are ready to discuss here another type of conditional sentence, and just you can see on a board here we are ready to discuss about third type of conditional sentence. And here in third type of conditional sentence we should set up in our mind of this structure: if plus past perfect, subject plus would, could, might plus have plus verb 3. So this structures you can see, you can say in another uh, way in which condition we can use of this structure. Here is written. It is also called condition of impossibility, regrets, unfulfilled action, and possibility of action become not at all now. So this is the thing that we should understand about here, a third type of conditional sentence. We should not only understand its structure, we should also know about in which condition we can use third type of conditional sentence. So this you can say as a use of third type of conditional sentence. So here is telling condition of impossibility. Here you can see whenever you try to understand the sentences, here you can see impossibility of action. Regret, here you can see in the sentence that regret will express. Unfulfilled action will express here in the sentences. So here the possibility of action become not at all at present. It means to say that there is no possibility of action uh, at present. So just see here in example. If he had met me, I might have helped him. Mean to say that यदि ऊ मलाई भेटेको हुन्थ्यो भने म चाहिँ हेल्प गरेको हुन्थे. So here what can you see? He hadn't met me, and so that I wouldn't help him. So what can you say? Just here you can say impossibility of action. Regret is expressing, unfulfilled action is expressing in this sentence. Likewise, if they had invited me, I would have come. So here is also telling, here he hadn't invited them. So how I would come, here is telling, I would have come. So here just impossibility of action, regret here expressing, unfulfilled action is expressing. Likewise here, if she had studied for the exam. So here is a condition. If she had studied for the exam, mean to say that she didn't study for the exam. If she had studied for the exam, uh, she would have got better grades. So here she hadn't studied well for the exam, so she wouldn't have got better grades. So just here in three sentences here expressing that the condition of impossibility, regrets, unfulfilled action, and action that become here, possibility of action become not at all now. So this is here just third type, that is expressing of impossibility, regret, unfulfilled action. Uh, all of these things we are expressing with the help of these three sentences. So here we should understand if plus past perfect, comma here. After that subject plus would, could, might plus have plus verb 3. I hope you understood whatever here we discuss here in third type. Let's see here another that may be unique and that may be unusual for you, that here pin had conditional sentence. So pin had conditional sentence, what does here mean to say pin had conditional sentences? These sentences will make us clear. Just try to understand. The first sentence is telling he will do it if you pay him. If you like it, you can take it. So these two sentences here expressing positive condition. So here P indicates here positive condition. So these two sentences are in positive form. So P indicate of this one. So you can see here, here is this type 1 is telling this one is also type 1. So P indicate here positive conditional. In positive conditional you can or you have already learned of this one, so I do not tell something more about it. Next thing is here, does it boil if you heat water? So this is what question. will you help me if you meet me? This is also your question. Likewise here, what would you do if a dog bite your friend? So here these two sentences are yes no question, and you know very well about it. And this one is here WS question. So here we should set up in our mind a very important thing. So just you can see this part. Does it boil if you heat water? Will you help me if you meet me? What would you do if a dog bite your friend? So what can you see? PC. That means principal clause that is written in here as no question. Principal clause is written in as no question. Here principal clause is written in WS question. And CC, that means conditional clause that are the same, that are unchanged. So these sentences are called interrogative sentences. So here I have written interrogative conditional. So I indicate here interrogative conditional. And PC, that means principal clause change into yes no question. So don't forget it of this one. Whenever you make yes no question of conditional sentence, don't try to change of this one. CC, that PC will change into yes no question. Likewise in WS question, PC change into WS question. So we should not do here mistake. If we will change of this one, that may be wrong. That will be wrong. So here we should focus on it. After that, here comes next step. If you don't call me, I will not come. So this is very clear. This is type 1. Unless you buy a ticket, you won't be allowed in. So this is also here type 1. But these two sentences are negative conditional. So here negative conditional. And for here, pin of and for indicate here negative conditional. So this is, you can see here, this part, if you don't call me, I will not come. So you can see here, this PC and CC both are in negative form. You can see unless. So if of negative, that become unless. So unless is negative marker, you can say clause, you can say here, unless you buy a ticket, unless that gives negative sense, you won't be allowed in. So these two sentences are related with the negative conditional. So what can we say here? And for negative conditional. So whenever we make a negative conditional, you can say in a PC and CC both sides they have become negative. I hope you understood this one also. After that, this one is very important. Actually here in higher classes, generally question asked, whenever asking question from your conditional type, this type of sentence is mostly asked, and we student we become confused and what is that and what is this, and we generally we do their mistakes. So I hope you will understand now and you will never do such a mistake. Just you can see here, had you not been on the earth, I would not have got intention to survive. So here, अगर तुम ना होती तो जीने का चाहत ना होता. So this sentence here just I have written in Hindi. So no problem. So had you not been on the earth, I would not have got intention to survive. Likewise, had I saved money, my money, I would have bought a house. So this sentence is looking like a yes no question, but it is not yes no question. You can see this sentence that isn't here end off with a question mark, no question mark. So here we should focus on it. So this type of sentence, that is called had conditional sentence. So you can see structure of this one. How can we decide this is a had conditional sentence? This structure will be, you had, you will get at first, and then plus Subject, you can see here subject is here you, here is I, subject and past participle. Past participle you can get here, past participle. So here, yes, a past participle means what? Verb 3 you can get here. Here also verb 3, here also verb 3. So this sentence is here end up with full stop. So these things we should here keep in our mind, and I hope whatever we discussed up to now regarding a conditional sentence, I think you will not have any kind of confusion and you can crack any tough exam related of this one conditional sentence. I hope you understood whatever discussed now. Thank you very much for watching this video.